Hello, 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 beautiful people. It's Diva Risse here, and I am back with another video. Yep, I'm back with another video, and in this video is going to be a luxury bag haul by a Black-owned business owner. Yes, I love that for me, and let's get into this video. Let's get into it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I like to have fun here, you know, a little fashion, a little luxury, a little hair, and make it do what it do. So let me tell you a little bit about how I found this luxury owned bag company on Instagram. You know, Instagram got all the goods, so I came across the page. I don't even know how or who. I just came across the page, looked, I was like, oh my gosh, these bags are so cute. Let me get one. Let me get one. So I got one, and then like the next day I saw another one. And I got it. Why? Because the day I ordered it is the day it shipped. And I was like, you can't beat that. Okay, so y'all are quick with it. And that's how we like it. So the name of the company is Noir-X, which is like Black X, I believe. And this is how the box comes. Did I keep you waiting? How cute. I'll flip it over. It's just, you know, my shipping label on the other side, so I'm not going to show you, but it's just black all over it. Isn't that so cute? And that's the website right there. Go follow them on Instagram, girl. Tell them I sent you. Tell them Diva Risse sent you. And so let's open this and get to the goods, honey. Okay, open it. Looks like it comes in the dust bag. Okay. Okay. We also have, thank you for supporting. I will not show the code because you get a discount code if you buy again, get money off your next order. Since you ain't buy it yet, girl, I ain't give you that code. Go support and get your own. Okay, so let me show you the first bag. Here it is. Comes in this satin case, and it says Luxury Essentials by Nathaniel Noir. That's the website. It's noir-x.com. So we open it, and okay, you can even see the color peeping through. Peeping through, make it do what it do. Girl, I'm a fake rapper over here. Come in a little bag. The moment we have all been waiting for. Look at, girl, look at this. This is me, 1000%. Y'all know, I love a good glam. I love a good shimmy. I love a good bag. Look, girl, this bag is giving. It's so cute. There's his name right there. Oh my goodness. And this bag is called the, what's it called? The Vitro Chrome. As soon as I saw this and he dropped this bag, I was like, I need it right now. And when I tell you, it sold out in like a day or two. I was like, I'm so happy I got it. How the inside look? Ooh, it comes with a long strap. And the strap is still the chrome, honey. It's giving purple, it's giving pink, it's giving blue. It's giving me what I needed to do. Girl, this is so cute. The inside got his name, little bubble wrap down there. And there's our pockets. This is bomb. Yo, I can't wait to see the next one. So it's like a little mini bag. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. And imagine my little hair wrap. This is cute. You need to get this. You need to get one. And they have many different colors. Ooh, medium and large. So get into it. This bag is giving me everything I needed it to give me. And I am so happy with this purchase. Super duper happy with this purchase. And I believe I got it on sale for like $98. They do run sales every now and then or whatever, so we got that. And this is her. Bottom, side, back, other side, and front. Yes, because we're cute and we like this bag. Yes. Now let's get to the next one. Y'all ready for the next one? She comes in a bigger box. Why? Because she is bigger. Yeah, she's bigger, honey. Did I keep you waiting? Yes. Girl, let's open this. Let us open this. And I got a story about this one. I have a story about this one, honey. So you know I follow them on Instagram because they're popping. And I seen that they had something. And I'm going to show you if it's in here.
A few moments later.
Come with the satin bag. You already know Nathaniel Noir. Ow. All right, y'all, let's open her. Take out her dust bag. Oh, baby. Look at this color. Purple. Look at, oh my goodness. This is giving. The croc. Yes, with the gold. Ooh, we got 2 sides. We got 3 sides. 3 compartments. Oh yes, remember I said it was a story about this one? So, I seen that he was giving out free passport carriers, holders, if something. So I ended up like, ooh, you still got some? So he was like, he only have yellow and pink left. So what y'all think I got? Y'all know I got that pink. So he sent me this for free. How amazing. A passport holder, girl. Yes, for my passport. This is so nice. That is so nice of him. Thank you so much. That was so thoughtful. He was like, it would be in the front compartment. And guess where it was? In the front compartment. Girl. See, this is why we shop black. Bam. We got a zipper in the middle. And girl, we got a long strap. I was not expecting a long strap, but we have one, and that is amazing because why not? Girl. And the other side, there's a zipper compartment in there too. Yo, this is it. This is lit. Look at it. Look at her. She's giving auntie vibes, professional vibes, mommy vibes, everybody vibes, Diva Risse style vibes. Oh, I cannot wait to style this. I can't wait. So this one is the Croc Tote Medium Argyle Purple. And she is a beauty. I don't even know if the camera is doing her justice, but look. And it feels so nice and soft. It doesn't feel like it's going to like scratch or anything like that. I can't wait to wear this, honey. I cannot wait to wear this. Nathaniel, you did that. You did that. You did that. Let me show you the mama and the baby side by side so y'all can see the size difference. The mini and the medium. Mini, medium. Look. Girl. Which one do you like? Which one do you like more? The chrome or the Croc purple? Girl, I like both of them. They both giving me what I need them to give. They're both cute. Boop, boop. Yes, I needed both. Now I need another one. I need another one, because why not? But yes, these are amazing. So that is the end of my luxury purse haul from Nathaniel Noir, and I love the bags. I love them. They are gorgeous. I cannot wait to style them. I cannot wait to wear them. It's gonna be amazing. Amazing head turners, showstoppers. Yes, that's what they are, and that's what they are giving. If you want to shop them, I'll leave the link below so that you can shop. Comment in the sections. Let me know which one is your favorite, that mini or that medium Croc purple, girl. Let me know. Let me know what you think. But until then, make sure you are subscribed. Follow me on Instagram so you can see how I style them. And I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!